Good afternoon everyone. So I am Mike Angelo Armando. Ngayon ay tatalakayin natin ang relihiyon ng Japan na tinatawag na Shintoism. Ano nga ba ang kinakilalalang relihiyon ng mga Hapon ng mga Japan? So let's go.
Is the Japanese devotion to invisible spiritual beings and power called kami, to shrines and to various rituals. Okay, meron daw paniniwala or merong pananampalataya ang mga Hapon, ang mga Japanese sa tinatawag nilang Shinto. Shinto means spiritual beings. At ito ay binibigyang paniniwala nila sa pamamagitan ng mga shrines at ng mga rituals. Invisible beings, spirits. Kaya meron din tinatawag noon na prehistoric animism sa Japan, kung saan naniniwala ang mga sinaunang Hapon sa mga kapangyarihan ng iba't ibang espiritu na kanilang maaaring makasalamuhan, na kanilang maka-encounter, tulad ng espiritu sa bato, espiritu ng nag-aanyong hayop, espiritu na gumagabay sa pananim, kung ano-ano pa. Ang tawag natin doon ay historical animism, kung paano naging modern ang isang Japan. Inikinalan na nila yung power ng spirit sa mga bagay-bagay, sa mga nangyayari nilang kapaligiran. At ito ay nakilala sa tinatawag na Shintoism. Shinto means spirits. Shinto is not we explain, not wrote what matters. Rituals in the kami are not God or gods there.
Shinto is a very local religion in which devotees are likely to be concerned with their local shrine rather than the religion as we whole. So mas focus yung localized religion. Ibig sabihin, kung saan sila na lugar iayos nila at pagagandahin nila ultimate nila yung shape na Shintoism doon sa lugar na nilang binilangan nila. Many Japanese will have a tiny shrine altar in their homes. Wherever it is also an official national religion with shrines that draw visitors from across the country, because rituals rather than belief is at the heart of Shinto. Japanese people don't usually think of Shinto specifically as a religion. It's simply an aspect of Japanese life. This has enabled Shinto to coexist happily with Buddhism for countries. So, hindi kinikilala na parang national religion ang Shintoism. Hindi rin kinikilala ang mga shrines because Shintoism focuses on personal practice, personal na pananampalataya at paniniwala. The name Shinto comes from Chinese characters for Shin, divine being, and Tao, way, and means way of the spirits. So yun ang etymological definition, shrine to shrine, and Tao way, so means of the spirit. So ibig sabihin, susundan mo yung mga paraan or gagabayan kana ng mga espiritu sa iyong ginagawang pamamaraan in return of and giving respect and take home with spirits. Shrine visiting and taking part in festivals play a great part in binding local communities together. So, kaya kung nagpunta ka ng Japan, marami silang shrines at dahil sa paniniwala nila, yung shrine na yun ay kailangan bigyang galang bilang respeto sa kanilang kinikilala na espiritu.